In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your key remote for your 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent. It's a very easy process, only takes about 2 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. So that's the key remote right there. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and all you have to do is put the screwdriver in the slot there and twist it, and it opens up. See how easy that was? Let me do it again for you. Get the screwdriver, put it in the slot over there, twist it gently, and it'll open up. That is good. Now that's the battery right there. You can push the battery out just using your thumb and finger. If it doesn't come out, you can use the screwdriver to pry the battery out. Now let's take a closer look at the battery. It says 2032 CR2032. That's the battery size number. So when you're getting the replacement one, get a CR2032. Get the new battery. And do you see the positive sign, the plus sign on the remote itself? Make sure the plus sign on the battery is on the top as well when you're putting it back in. Once you're done, get the two sides of the remote together, press them together, and you are done. Let's try it out. And that works, and that's pretty much it.